I'm sure that at least I never saw before in my life that police force actually have time, or they're washing their own cars. I'm not sure if that is good. I mean, it is if they don't have nothing else to do. Well, they don't. Looks like it here. This is from Bosnia, like you see. It's from small town called Bužim, and but it's really amazing. I mean, I'm sure that you have a lot more respect for the car, for the government who actually give you the car, and for your work, because you're not just dealing with criminals and people like that, but you actually know how to clean the car, let's say like that. Maybe you learn how to wash your clothes too, but it's really amazing. So yeah, why not?